Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best router joinery bits that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Router Joinery Bits. Joinery bits sold at toolstoday.com are made by Amana Tool, the leading manufacturers of high-quality wood-cutting tools. All router bits are carbide tipped unless noted otherwise as solid carbide. Joinery bits by Amana feature outstanding tool longevity, a tendency to stay sharper, mirror-like carbide finish, excellent carbide brazing, a broad selection of sizes. Number 5. ASME Tungsten Carbide Router Bit Set. This router bit set contains 15 different function router bit to meet all your different needs, can cut all types of wood accurately. YG8 Tungsten Carbide Blade. Main features: excellent resistance to heat. Widely application. Made from durable steel body. Number 4. Yakumo's 1/4 inch shank 3-wing adjustable slot cutter router bit. Made of quality C3 micrograin carbide, with heat-resistant Teflon coating to prevent building up of sawdust, resin, and pitch. Main features: high-quality guide bearings. Anti-kickback design. Designed for a router table. Number 3. Cowood 15 Plus Router Bit Set Essential Woodwork Tools. Widely application combination set with a high-quality router bit for project improvement. New heat treatment of carbide blades. Main features: widely application combination. Anti-kickback design. Heavy-duty use. Number 2. Cowood 1/4 inch shank reversible finger glue joint router bit. A finger joint, also known as a comb joint, is a common woodworking joint made by cutting a set of complementary, interlocking profiles in two pieces of wood. Main features: wide use application. Suitable for woods. Easy to use. Number 1. Lewin-MN Carbide Tipped Router Bits 15 pieces. Enclosed bearing roller for smooth and aligned operations. Precisely machined sharp YG8 tungsten carbide blade makes clean and accurate cuts on all types of wood. Main features: multi-purpose use. Easy to storage. High-grade carbide blade. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.